Traders, this was a gold idea that I posted into Telegram. That was it here. And this was the outcome. What I want to do with this video is have another look. We'll delete the drawings. We'll get rid of that one and see where we're at with this and where we might be heading. I'm just going to go out to 4-hour chart. So this is clearly under pressure. We've had a nice pullback with this this move here. Consecutive lower highs, lower lows. So I'm looking to get involved short if it sets up. So for the setup, we could go down to, say, a 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, look, it's the same thing. We just look for the rotation. All right, so I want to see that rotate. Very simple strategy. But, you really need systems in place that tell you when this is, when there's momentum behind it, when there's, the liquidity's building, shorts. What else do you need? I mean, yeah, you wanna see that sellers are in control. In any case, this is what I'm looking for, and one way that you could track this would be, draw a line through here, and if you see a break of structure, for example, there, break of market structure, BOS right there, the last one, and here, same thing. Oh, and the other thing that I'd like to do would be to, so I'm looking for a break of structure, and I do like this this indicator, the anchored volume profile, and there's another one that I'm going to show you as well. But if we pick up the anchored volume profile, it just gives us a really clear view of, where business is being done, basically, and where these main value areas are. See how now we've broken under this point of control here, right? So I want to see it start to roll over and head south. Now, the other indicator I quite like is this one here. No, anchored VWAP. Okay, let's just place that at the high here of this this trend. Now it's telling us that this has been pulling up above VWAP, but it's trending under VWAP. Okay, VWAP is the midline, and we've had these price action moving a little bit above VWAP. So what I want to see is this blue line VWAP. I want to see price break under VWAP. Just a very quick diversion. I want to invite you to an entire 14 days completely free, where you can experience my trade signals here on Telegram. These are copy friendly, and I'll quickly show you what else is available. TradingView indicators if you want to trade yourself with these signals. And with this, there's a full mentorship training that I provide my members. Over here, the daily mentorship, I do 1 to 3 videos a day, worst case scenario, 1 a day. And this goes through our daily hot list. Okay, this is our opportunities that we have Monday to Friday. These get posted in here for our members. The video covers the hot list and recaps the previous day's trades. And every trade that I take on my account that goes into Telegram, I take a screenshot and I post it in here in real time. So if you want to manually trade, you've got all of this. Or if you want to set up a trade copy and have my trades automatically copied to your account, you have that option as well. There's an entire 14 days, so it'll give you ample time to test everything out and see for yourself how this could be a game changer. Okay, this was previously 7 days. We've upped the ante, 14 days. This is what you get. And if you decide that this is for you, at the moment, while we are mid-launch, more or less, of our new strategy and indicators that we've developed to meet the volatility in the markets, show me Sushi Train once a month, and I'm more than happy to share this opportunity with you. This will set up your 14-day free trial. This is just a management platform to help me manage everything, but you have the option in here to choose either PayPal or Stripe. There's no upfront cost. You just set up the trial, and if you decide this is for you, stay with it. If you don't, you can opt out at any time. You've got full control when you log back into your WAP dashboard. That's it. So here's my invite to take up this opportunity and yeah, find out what's possible. So with that, let's get back into the video. And I mean, look, it all comes together, guys, really. Seriously, here it is. Wait for, if we get that and then a retest, that's it. Now, you've got to have systems in place that tell you when this rotation's happening and when sellers are in control. That's the key, right? So you can just be, hands-free. You set it all up, and you've got alerts firing on your phone wherever you are, and you can come straight into it and open a trade. In any case, that's my plan. Now, if it trades north, we abandon the idea. Okay, so the note will be, there's two notes. Well, no, just one note. I'm going to place it here, and it will be, I've got it saved. We'll just grab it. Note sell. Very clear, guys. Sell on bearish break of structure and retest of the range. This range, okay. If it doesn't play out, then we abandon the idea. All right, now stop loss and targets. Look, wherever you enter, let's just say that's it there. Grab a short tool. Where is it? Long, short position. Let's just say we get that. All right, stop loss just above the high. And you've got this range to target, this entire range. All right, the lows of this range. That's your first target, and that'll give you what, 2.6R? And that's quite nice. And then look, if it continues bearish, then obviously you go for broke. But you could take partial profits off at first VWAP. See here, and then maybe take more parcels off here as well. And that could be, this VWAP down here could be your ultimate. Or look at see the volume profile? That is support right there. So that's a plan, guys. If this breaks, there's your trading plan. Be careful. It's an incredibly volatile market. And look, it can turn around and head the other way in an instant. It is really that dicey at the moment. We've got all the tariffs and whatnot going on, and it's a tough market. In any case, you need a system to beat the volatility, and yeah, you can do it if you got the right. Stick to your strategy, guys. If you have a strategy, trade your plan. Anyway, cut a long story short, that's my take on gold. Love it if you commented. That'd be awesome. And have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.